Anxiety is essentially where people overestimate threats and underestimate their responses to a threat.
Psychodynamic therapy that focuses on resolving internal conflicts and resolving that childhood trauma really changes the way a person deals with anxiety.
One of the biggest limitations with cognitive biases is that it only focuses on the moment. They don't really take in any of the trauma that an individual has experienced or anything that has happened in the past. So it's mostly in the present.
AP Psychology, I think, is a very rigorous and broad course, but at the same time, I think students that are sufficiently interested in the course can pass it fairly easily compared to other AP subjects. We start with a Unit 0, which is on science practices, which are the foundational concepts students need to know for the course, research methods, sampling methods, data interpretation and analysis, and so on. We're going to have a debate where you're going to use your persuasive talking points, evidence from your 2 to 3 studies that supports your explanation of anxiety, right? Did anybody look at disorders in general, or did we all focus on anxiety? I think the value of Socratic seminars in psychology is that it allows students to do research, to find evidence and studies that support their claims and their arguments, and then they're able to share those claims, share those perspectives with their classmates.
Potentially curb anxiety disorders. It's also been found that in animals, they can be used to treat like chronic stress.
While I do some traditional class activities like lectures, videos, class discussions, question sets, and so on, I think that being able to inject some creativity in the class and have students do something a bit different is a really important way to break up the pedagogical tasks students are doing in classes. It gives them the chance to develop their creativity, their research skills, their critical thinking. I think it breaks up the monotony of just traditional teaching and learning.